Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the 2023 X5 M50i. It is in Dravit Grey, and it's nicely equipped. So this is the last model year before the LCI lifecycle impulse or refresh in BMW speak. So that's going to occur for model year 24, I believe, starting in March production. So just a couple of months away. Let's go over this particular X5 M50i. So it's the GO5 chassis. We got the driving assistance professional package, lower portion of the lower grille there in the center. Also got laser lights, which are part of the executive package. Always good to have. So if you go with the premium package, you will not get the laser lights. We got a few of those on the channel before. So extended shed trim as well. And the 50th anniversary BMW M emblems. Down with the M Performance models, these are a $200 option, which I believe run through December of 2022 production. So just one more month of production. So if you like these emblems, you can get them on your vehicles. Over to the side, we have style 741M wheels. A fantastic looking wheel. Also have the red M Sport calipers as well. And what we have tire-wise, Hankook. So this is probably the first time I've seen Hankooks on the X5. Of course, may not have noticed it before, so take it as you will. So again, Dravit Grey, a very dynamic color, one of our favorite grays to put on a vehicle. Unfortunately, it's a little bit more overcast today here in otherwise sunny California. Out back, we have our X5 M50i badging in cerium gray, and again, this will go away starting with model year 24. So cerium gray is basically being discontinued as the designation for the M Performance models. What this car will likely get is the M mirror caps, as well as a revised grille that's going to be double slatted grills that is usually reminiscent of the BMW M models, but making its way to the performance models as well. So let's go inside, take a look at the pricing and options. So opening up, we are greeted with ivory white extended merino leather. Very nice contrast with the Dravit Grey. It looks like a basically black piping on the seats as well. Some very nice touches, very nice quilting and perforations. Seat controls, of course, you do have the upper portion of the seat can be bent forwards and backwards. That's what that button does. The button for the crumb catcher. So you can have more crumbs or less crumbs, whatever you want to do. Lumbar support and side bolster support. Nope. Bowers and Wilkins on the vehicle. So back on the X5. Let's start with the X5M. Inside, no surprises, iDrive 7 live cockpit, driving assistance professional package, driver attention camera here, and our logo there as well. Driving assistance professional package buttons are here on the left side of the steering wheel. And of course, iDrive 7 on the main screen. You have carbon fiber interior trim as well. So it's a pretty good bargain for $300, I think it is. You get a lot of carbon fiber in the interior. We also have glass controls for the gear selector, start stop button, and iDrive controller. All right, let's take a look at the pricing and options on this build. So starting price of $85,400. Metallic paint is included. $1,000 for the ivory white extended leather, $1,700 for the driving assistance professional package, another $800 for the parking assistance package, $3,150 for the exec package, climate comfort package for another $850, $950 for the style 741M wheels, $200 for the emblems, $300 for the carbon fiber trim, another $1,000 for the front massaging seats, $3,400 for Bowers and Wilkins, another $300 for the extended Shadowline trim. All told, MSRP of just over $100,000. So prices have gone up for 23, but I don't know if you consider that a bargain, but it's, I think, fairly priced. So massage buttons are over here. This will turn on the massaging things, and then on the iDrive screen, you have options for where you want the massage to occur. You can press it again, go on 2, 1, and then off as well. Below that is the gentleman's function, so you can use your seat controls on the driver's seat to adjust the passenger seat. So if you don't like them, you can crush them, fold them back, whatever you want to do. That's going to be entirely up to you. Dealer's choice on that one. So opening up the rear doors, this is what you're greeted with the rear seats. An ivory white extended leather, so a very nice contrast. Of course, probably not for everyone. Pull down here, you do have extra cup holders here for the rear passengers. Fold that back up. You have 4-zone climate control as well. Take a look at the trunk cargo area. All right, let's see about kick to open. So it is back on the vehicles. So a pretty decent cargo room. You also have a little extra storage back here. Underneath the floor, this is normally where the spare tire would go if you have the Space Saver spare option. But pretty good space. I'll take one more walk around our Dravit Grey Metallic. Again, one of our favorite grays on any of the BMWs. I'm glad it's making its way across the different lineups. Again, it is a premium price for most vehicles. In this case, the X5 M50i, it is included, which is a pretty good bargain for a very good paint. But that's about it for a relatively quick tour around. Oh, before I go, let's take a look at the V8 under the hood. All right, so pop on the hood. So here's our N63 V8 4.4 liter engine. It's turbocharged, twin turbo engine. The M Performance logo and basically faux carbon fiber there. Dual intakes. Looks pretty good. So it's 523 horsepower and 553 torques. So a very potent engine. So this will be replaced by the S68 engine. This will be designated the X5 M60 for model year 24. But now that's it for a quick tour around the vehicle, and we'll see you at the next video.